Okay. Now look at the picture and can you tell me how is the weather?
It's sunny.
It's sunny. Okay, it's sunny. What is it?
It's summer.
Yes. What is this?
It's island.
How do you spell island? Now spell island. Yeah, okay. Okay. How many sailing boats can you see?
One. Two.
Okay. The only thing you can solve the problem is you have to answer 5 right questions continuously. Tức là các bạn phải trả lời 5 câu đúng liên tiếp thì các bạn sẽ được xóa nợ. Tức là trừ 5 mà. Trừ 5 nhé cô Lan. Trừ 5 luôn. Yes. Okay. Now, what is this girl trying to do? What is she doing? Now she's fishing or catching fish. Okay, what is she doing? Taking a photo. Okay, mới được 2. Yes, this one. Now, what is the color of the boy t-shirt who is holding the ice cream? Okay, it's red. It's red. What is it? Bucket. That's good. What is she doing? Making sandcastle or building sandcastle? Okay, building sandcastle. What is it? Okay, what is it?
It's a crab.
It's a crab. What is he doing? No. No? Okay, the right answer is waving. Rồi, âm 5 tiếp. Waving. Okay, I see. Now, what is the duck doing? What is this one? Now, it's a real duck or rubber duck? Yes, rubber duck. I see. What is she doing? She's reading newspaper. Okay. Where is the blanket? And where is the towel? Now, it's in the back or on the back? Now, okay, I'm asking again. In the back or on the back? Okay, tưởng in. In là nó phải ở bên trong nha. Okay. How many shells can you see? 2 shells. Okay, that's good. Now this picture. Okay, where is it placed? It's a farm. What animal can you see on the farm? Rabbit, where's the rabbit? Huh? No, these are chicken. No rabbit, bro. Okay. Bird. Now what is it? Cow. Cái đường à?
Đấy, chắc là cái đấy đúng không? Nhưng nó là cái đường mà.
Okay, that is a road or the path. Ok, âm 5. Not a truck, it's a tractor.
Cô phải là âm 4 chứ lúc nãy là nói với con động vật các thứ với cả nói đây là cái gì các thứ đấy.
No, bắt đầu tính từ bây giờ chứ.
Ô tô ở cái xe này đi.
Okay, now the next one. What do you use the key for? Now there are two options. You use the key to cook or you use the key to lock the door. Lock the door. Okay. What is it? Diary to read or to write? Okay, to write. What is it? Clock. He said clock. Cộng thêm 1. Okay. Now from now, each of you say something wrong, then it's gonna be +1.
Cộng 1, cộng 5.
Trừ 5 thì là thành trừ 6. Anh trả lời được mấy câu rồi?
Được 3, 4 rồi, 4 rồi.
4 câu thì bây giờ thành tổng.
Bây giờ là còn lại là
Trừ 2. Okay, -2. Yes. Is it cheap or expensive? Expensive, that's right. Now, what is it? Now, glues you to separate things or to stick things together? Okay, stick things together. Now, what is it? Ring, okay. Expensive or cheap? Okay. It's expensive. What does this make of? This is a golden ring or a silver ring? Golden ring, okay. Yes. What is it? It's a phone. Now, what do you use the phone for? Okay, the phone is used to cook or to call somebody? Yes, to call somebody. Okay, now describe this bag. Miêu tả cái túi này nào. Nó màu đỏ và trắng. It's red and white. It's big or small? It's big. Okay. It's beautiful or ugly? Beautiful. Cộng 5 làm gì?
Nếu mà trừ 5 thì
trừ mấy thôi. Now, okay, the next one. How many cushions can you see? Two. Where are the cushions? On the sofa. That's good. Now, what is it? Huh? I think you're right. No, it's not a coat. They call it a pocket. Now spell pocket. R. Somebody said R. Okay, pocket. Now what is it? Bath or a tub. Okay. Now what do you use the bath for? Take a shower or take a bath? Okay, không tính kiểu đấy. Okay. Now the next one. Where is it? Now is it at home or in the office? Yes, in the office. What can you see on the desk? What is it? A computer, a plant, a mouse. Yes, newspaper. Okay. Now the next one. Where is it? In the garden. What is it? A chair. A plate. Okay.
A cup.
Cup and tea. Yes. And what is it? Table. Okay, good. Now the next one. What are they? Where are the books? Under the bed. That's good. What is it? What is it? A stove. Good. How do you spell stove? Okay, S-T-O-V-E. Yes, I see. Good job. Now we're moving on, part 4.
Good job.
Where is Michael? Picture A. Okay, in the living room. Good. In the garden. And here? Okay, yes. They call it. Now, if this is, his is on the balcony or under the stair? Under the stair. Okay, let's see. Now, what must Michael paint first? You have to answer Michael must paint something first. A. Must paint the wall first. Now, how do you spell wall? Double L. Okay. Now B. Michael must paint the. Okay, the bike. How do you spell bike? E. Okay, now what is it? Chair. Now Zoli. Don't focus. I didn't hear her say anything. Cô không nghe thấy bạn ấy nói cái gì cả. Trừ 5 đô. Trừ 5. Okay, now look at this. What are they? What color are they? They are white. Where are the chairs? Yes, in the garden. Now spell chair. With S. Yes, just 2 chairs. Yes, now bạn Nam về chỗ. Nam sit down. Don't ever do that again. Now, what must Michael wear? Michael phải mặc cái gì nha? No, Michael must wear. What color? No, you have to answer. Michael must wear gray trousers. Now spell gray trouser. Spell G Y. Now S. Okay. B. Michael must wear. Yes. Now how do you spell gray short? S. Okay, because we have 2 sleds here. Now C. Okay, a sweater. How do you spell gray sweater? Sweater. Okay, yes. S-W-E-A-T-E-R. Now, what can Michael eat? A. Michael can eat. Okay, now some soup and some bread. Okay, how do you spell soup and bread? Okay, B. Cookie. Okay, how do you spell cookie? I-E-S. Okay, C. Michael. How do you spell soup? Yes. Now, where is the paint that Michael needs? Nào, cái lọ sơn mà Michael cần ở đâu? Ok, các bạn chỉ cần trả lời vị trí nha. A. It's on the. Yes, on the shelf. Okay, now B. Under the stair. Okay, good. C. Near the fridge. Yeah, or the stove, it's okay. Or you can say that in front of the fridge, or you can say it's in the kitchen. What's the matter with Michael now? A. Now you have to answer. He has what? He hurt his he hurt his foot. Okay. Now how do you spell hurt his foot? H-U-R-T H-I-S-T. Okay, B. He has broken arm. Okay, a broken arm. Now, how do you spell a broken arm? E-N-R-M. A-R-M. Now,